In this video, I am going to explain what Web 3.0 is and how it's different from Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Web 1.0 was the first generation of the World Wide Web. It was a time of static websites with little to no user interaction. Users could only read content, but they couldn't create or modify it. Web 2.0 was the second generation of the World Wide Web. It was a time of social media, user-generated content, and cloud computing. Users could now create and modify content, and they could interact with each other in new and meaningful ways. Web 3.0 is the third generation of the World Wide Web. It is still in its early stages of development, but it promises to be a much more decentralized and user-centric web. One of the key features of Web 3.0 is decentralization. In Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, the web was centralized around a few big companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. These companies had a lot of control over the web, and they could use that control to track users, collect data, and censor content. Web 3.0 aims to decentralize the web by using blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that can record transactions without the need for a central authority. This means that users can own their own data and they can interact with each other without having to rely on big tech companies. Another key feature of Web 3.0 is user centricity. In Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, the web was designed for businesses, not for users. Businesses controlled the web and they used it to sell products and services. Web 3.0 aims to be more user centric by giving users more control over their data and their online experience. Users will be able to choose who they share their data with, and they will be able to use the web in ways that are most beneficial to them. There are already a few examples of Web 3.0 technologies in use today. For example, decentralized finance platforms allow users to borrow and lend money without having to go through a bank. Web 3.0 is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we use the internet. By decentralizing the web and putting users in control, Web 3.0 could create a more open, fair, and user centric internet.